Here is a powerful truth. একটি শক্তিশালী সত্য হলো not every knock deserves an immediate open door. When love or any seemingly great opportunity comes knocking, পৃথিবী আপনাকে তাড়াহুড়ো করতে বলে. The world tells you to rush, grab it before it's gone. But I am telling you, take a moment. দয়া করে সঙ্গে সঙ্গে দরজা খুলবেন না. Don't open it immediately. Because some people, some situations are just like pouring the bill and run away. Shaking a momentary chill from your reaction, your heart, your time, your energy, a sacred ground. They are not experiment for someone. The difference between a real opportunity and a distraction is consistency. The true treasure will knock, and if you don't open right away, they will wait. সম্মানের সঙ্গে আবার knock করবে. Knock again with respect, or find a genuine way to introduce themselves. Be discussing, give yourself the gift of that push, that deep breath, যাতে আপনি একজন নির্মাতাকে আমন্ত্রণ জানাচ্ছেন to ensure you are inviting is a builder, not just a bell ringer. Thank you so much for watching this video.